Klipsch has officially launched their latest Reference Premiere III. They've launched 9 speakers in this particular lineup. You can set up a full Dolby Atmos home theater with their new lineup. Klipsch, at least they've released the Reference Premiere III, so you get multiple different sizes of speakers. If you want a 2-channel, you can get their floor standing speakers in this particular lineup. You could also go for bookshelves if you want to use it for your PC. You can now go full Dolby Atmos if you want the full setup. So the company says that with the 9 models they've released, you're getting a 2.5 centimeter titanium linear travel suspension tweeter. That's what will sit behind the horns they have in these speakers. They've also said that you're getting a copper-colored Cerametallic woofers. They have worked on the drivers, and the top of the range is their floor standing model they are calling the Klipsch RP8263FA Dolby Atmos floor standing speakers, because it has Dolby Atmos elevation speakers on top. You will also be getting other models like the new Klipsch RP6103M model, the RP6103M model, and the RP 5103M model. They've released it. These are the bookshelf models they've released. And then they've also released other models like 2 center channel speakers. They have the new Klipsch RP5403C. They've also released the Klipsch RP5203C center speakers. They've also launched the Klipsch RP5203S. Now this is the surround speakers. They've launched the height model because they have the ones that are just made for just Dolby Atmos elevation. They are calling this the RP5103SA height speakers. That's what they've released. So basically, they've covered all the necessary types of speakers you would need for your Atmos living room or whatever you want to set up. They have it all covered. They have upgraded cabinet ports, and the design has been improved a bit. The company has taken their time to put together this model, and you can use it with your AVRs. They're easy to drive because they're using horn loaded drivers, so they are very, very efficient. You can run them very loud without having much of a complications. Look, all the necessary information will be down below, especially all these models I've listed. The details, everything you need will be down below, so do check it out. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.